Having no goal is a messy life. Chaotic life is equivalent to unfulfilled life. Out of 10, please pakirate yung last year 2023 ninyo. Did you find happiness, fulfillment, and even progress? I had already 10 journals. Simula nung bata pa ako. Each year, I write down all my goals, my plan, my ideal year. I can say that wala talagang best year. So ngayon, it's better to ask, how can you have a better year than the previous one? First, we have to know what makes a better year. It depends on 3 levels of assessment. First, routine. Second, purpose. And third, your career. When you came across the most popular personal development books of all time, which is yung Atomic Habits, it says there that system is more important than goal. And you can agree with that. However, gusto kong i-highlight importance of establishing a personal routine. Routine is something na kasanayan mo na siyang gawin. Ginagawa mo siya purposely or unpurposely. Sometimes nga unconsciously. That's why we create a rules for ourselves. As simple as today, kailangan ko tong gawin. Bukas, kailangan ko tong gawin. Without rules, there is no game. Without game, there is no winning. And if there's no winning, life has no meaning. So, alam ko most of you teenagers or young adults are playing Mobile Legends, ML. Okay? So, alam natin doon na kapag bago ka pa lang na player, kailangan mo manood ng YouTube tutorial o kaya naman from the experience itself na gagamit ka ng hero na hindi ka familiar. So, for example, si Balmond, hindi mo alam kung paano siya gamitin. So, tendency is, gagamitin mo pa rin siya. At from time to time, maiintindihan mo in order para mas maging malakas siya or mas maging matibay siya na hero, kailangan mong i-build or mag-stock ng mga skills that will essentially help you to win the game. So over time, habang ginagawa mo to ng paulit-ulit, masasanay ka na or hindi ka na manonood ng YouTube, hindi ka manonood ng guides, alam mo na siya kung paano gamitin kasi nga, meron ka ng routine na ginagawa. And eventually, mananalo ka without trying hard or without trying. That's what makes the routine beautiful. So yung routine na yon sa buhay natin, it should be aligned with our goal, the goal of winning. However, sometimes yung goal natin sa buhay is very void. Hindi natin alam at hindi rin natin maintindihan kung ano ba yung gusto natin sa buhay. Like me, I'm still working and trying my best to find the purpose and the goal in life. Kaya nga nasa search and process pa din ako katulad ng karamihan sa atin. And yung sitwasyon ko ngayon is maaring 10 or 5 years ago, my dream na ngayon is nararanasan ko na siya. And ngayon, iba naman na yung goal ko. Hindi ko na goal yung na-experience ko ngayon. Kaya nga, I want to give you a quotation that sometimes we are stressing so much, focusing on our future that we forget na yung present time natin is our dream before. Hindi talaga constant ang goal, kaya nagbabago-bago yan habang tumatanda tayo. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan lang natin magkaroon pa ng mas bigger goal or mas bigger picture than our previous goal. At kailangan natin mahanap yung tinatawag na constant goal. Tumanda ka man, magbago man ang lugar kung nasaan ka, kung ano man ang mangyayari sa buhay mo, that instant or that constant goal will never change, and that goal is to win in life, right? To become successful, to give back to our families or whatsoever you want in life. Actually, may dalawa lang tayong kalaban sa mundong ito. First is yung paligid natin na nagdi-distract sa atin para hindi matuloy tayo sa path na gusto natin. At yung pangalawa, ito yung pinaka-greatest nating kalaban, yun yung mga sarili natin. Kaya kung hindi ka mag-establish ng goal or purpose mo sa buhay, kapag dumating yung mga distraction sa environment, sa social media, pwede tayong mawala agad. Kasi ngayon, lalo na, yung mental distraction is very high to the point na hindi mo na alam kung paano i-manage kahit yung sarili mo. So ngayon, I'm going to share you the wheel of life. Kailangan mo mag-reflect in this 4 major aspect in your life. First, yung health. Second, finance. Third, career or business. Fourth is your personal development. So basically, kailangan mo talagang magkaroon ng journal. So journal para mailagay mo dun yung mga plano mo sa buhay. Para i-assess mo din yung sarili mo kung ano na ba yung nangyayari sa mga goal mo, nagbabago ba to, nasusunod mo ba to or hindi. Maybe I'll be creating another video about creating a bullet journal. So if you're not a journal person, you can subscribe to my channel para kapag nag-upload ako, you will be notified if you're interested sa mga ganung stuff. You don't have money because you don't have job. You don't have a job because you don't have an education. You have a job, but you don't like, you're unhappy with the life you have, even you have a lot of money. It's because you don't like what you are doing. While you have a job, do extra time to pursue what do you want in life. So, this is very true. Iba-iba yung sitwasyon natin, pero sometimes malas tayo, sometimes swerte naman tayo. It differs, depende sa perspective mo. Kung ano yun, paano mo tinitingnan yung life. Kung hindi mo talaga gusto yung buhay na meron ka ngayon, hindi mo kailangan mag-quit sa bagay na ginagawa mo ngayon. For example, empleyado ako or empleyado ka, pero gusto mo maging isang dancer, gusto mo maging content creator, gusto mo maging business owner, gusto mo maging entrepreneur, pero it seems like there's no other way para magawa mo yun kasi yung trabaho lang yung nagbubuhay sa'yo. Nagsusurvive para sa family mo at sa mga pangangailangan mo. So what I can tell you is that do the job while pursuing your career na gusto mo talaga. Kasi sa buhay natin, meron tayong 24 hours. You can do it by the power of time management. Life is not only about surviving, it's all about enjoying din. So kung magsusurvive lang tayo, pinanganak na tayong mahirap, mamamatay pa rin tayo mahirap at hindi masaya. Kasi hindi natin in-enjoy yung buhay na meron tayo. And I'm very relate at this point kasi lahat tayo halos mentally unstable. So what we see on social media, yung vacations, party, etc. Akala natin yun yung life. Kaya naman kapag nagtrabaho na tayo as an employee and then magbabakasyon tayo for the meantime, mag-iinom tayo for the meantime para ma-enjoy yung buhay. Pero sa totoo lang, that's what we call cheap dopamine. Kasi yun lang yung alam natin na makakapagpasaya sa atin. Kasi yun yung binibigay ng mundo at yun lang yung nakaka-digest sa utak natin wherein there's another way to become happy if you will going to find it talaga. So, let's go back to the thing. The only thing that makes you happy, the only thing that will make your 2024 happy and the best year of your life is to focus on finding your goal. Okay? And then after that, we're going to create your system and syempre, execute the system that we just created. Ayun, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something and see you in my next vlog. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Goodbye. Goodbye. God.